Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to cook chicken pulav. This is very mild and flavorful, tasty and delicious pulav. I will show you the marination first. We are going to marinate this for at least 2 hours. If you marinate for overnight, will be good as well. Let's start the marination. I've taken around 1 kilo of chicken. To this, add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, squeeze in half a lemon, one teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can adjust it according to your taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything. So the chili powder that I used, this is for the whole pulav quantity of chili powder. We are not going to add any more. So add accordingly as per your taste. It's done. Cover this and keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. Taken around 5 cups of rice. We have to soak at least for 30 minutes. My cup is this rice cooker cup. This is 160 ml. Take a pan. Add around 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add around 3 small pieces of cinnamon, 5 cardamom, 6 to 8 pieces of cloves, bay leaves. This is my home dried bay leaves, 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. The whole spices are fried. Now add 3 medium sized onions, thinly sliced. To this add some salt. I'm using rock salt. The onion has to turn into golden color. You have to cook until that. So while the onion is cooking here, take a big pot, pour in enough water. To this water, add some salt, add some bay leaves, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Bring this water to boil, then we will add the rice. So the onion is cooking here. The onion is getting ready here. So meanwhile, we are going to grind a paste. One big piece of coconut. I chopped the coconut into small pieces. Add this to the blender. To the blender, add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Add fresh mint leaves, handful of mint leaves. Grind this into a fine paste. The paste is ready. Taken 1 small size tomato, slice it thinly. Onion is cooked nicely. Now add the tomato, 1 tomato. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. The water is boiling here. Let's add the rice. Just mix once. We are going to cook this rice exactly 5 minutes, not more than that, and we will take it out. So the rice should be cooked at 50% to 60% only. The ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, onion are cooked nicely. To this I am going to add the masala that we ground. Add into here. The masala is cooked nicely. The oil is coming on top. So this is done. Now I am adding green chilies. This is optional. If you want spicy, you can make it. Otherwise, you can skip adding the green chilies. Just now my husband came to the kitchen and he said he wants bit spicy. So I'm adding whole green chilies so it will not be too spicy. So I marinated this chicken overnight. So this is marinated so well. Add all the chicken pieces to here. So I've taken big pieces. You can chop it as per your wish. With coconut, mint, the onion yogurt masala to this pulao will be taste really amazing. It's so mild flavor. Cook for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Drain the water completely. It's only cooked 50%. So I'm going to drain this water. Add some salt. The masala is looking great. Can you see it? Light green color. It smells so good as well. If you marinated the chicken, it takes only 45 minutes. The rice is ready. The masala is ready here as well. The chicken is half cooked. To this I am adding 5 cups of water. So I have taken 5 cups of rice in this cup. So I am adding 5 cups of water. I am adding hot water. So the cooking process will be quick. So I am adding hot water. Check the salt consistency. If you want more, you can add it at this stage. Bring this to a boil. We cooked the rice 50%. That's why I'm adding 5 cups of water here. If you overcooked, you can reduce it accordingly. Boiling now. Let's add the rice, all of them. Do not mix too much. Don't take out the chicken pieces. Just the water. Mix in the water. Let the chicken pieces stay at the bottom. Just roughly mix the rice with the water. That's it. See, the water is exactly to this rice. This is the perfect consistency. Now let's do the dum cooking. Bring the flame to low and keep a flat pan. This is my stone dosa tawa. So the flame is on low. Now I'm going to transfer this rice on top of this pan like this. Now cover it with aluminium foil, or if you don't have aluminium foil, cover it with the lid and put some weight on top. Like you can add some big bowl of water, just leave it on top. I covered with aluminium foil so the air will not escape. It will cook nicely inside with a low flame. Cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not disturb, just leave it as it is. After 15 minutes I will show you. Let's open. After 15 minutes I'm opening this. Look at the rice. It's cooked perfectly.
It looks like biryani.
All the water is evaporated.
Looks like biryani.
Yeah, but it's not biryani.
It's chicken pulao.
The rice is
Hot. Really
cooked
hot.
perfectly.
And it's really
See, the rice is coming up without sticking anything. Perfect chicken pulao is ready. The color is light green color. It looks so good as well.
Right.
But the chicken pieces is cooked
I want that chicken.
perfectly.
Give me that chicken.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this recipe at home. Please leave your comments and please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. It's very simple, but it's super delicious. A quick chicken recipe. I will show you how to prepare this. So this is around half a kilo of chicken bones. Added around 3 tablespoons of oil. To this add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Cook the ginger garlic paste for 2 minutes. Add some salt. Ginger garlic paste is cooked nicely. To this add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. So we like spicy, so I'm adding more chili powder. You can adjust it according to your spicy level. Keep the flame on medium. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Cook the masalas in a low flame. Half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of fennel powder. Now it's time to add the chicken pieces. Mix this well. Cook the chicken pieces in the oil for at least 2 minutes. Then we can cover and cook it. We are not going to add any water to this. The moisture from chicken, it's more than enough to cook the chicken pieces. It's a dry masala. It goes really well with this pulao. Just with white plain rice, it goes very well. I prefer to have these pieces with some salad on the side. Cover this and cook for 10 minutes. Smells so good. I'm going to cook 5 more minutes on a medium flame. Check the salt consistency. If you want more, you can add it. Chicken is ready. It's cooked perfectly. And especially when you cook it with the mud pot, it tastes amazing. In olden days, they cook like this only, without any onion, tomato, just the masalas with chicken. Look at the chicken and the masala. It's so good. Finish it off with some coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves. Turn off the flame. Serve this with hot rice, chapati, or just with some salad. Take some 4-5 pieces of chicken and have some salad on the side. It will taste delicious. The chicken pulao, the bone chicken masala, some raita. I'm going to enjoy my lunch today. You can enjoy at home as well. Prepare this at home. Have a healthy food. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.